if you could hit the road in a camper van straight out of a sci-fi movie? Meet the Hymer Venture S, a $250,000 luxury off-road beast that's redefining van life. In this video, we'll tour every insane feature, reveal why it's unlike anything you've seen, and answer, is it worth $250,000? Stick around. This will blow your mind. Like if you're ready for the ultimate adventure van. From the second you see the Hymer Venture S, it screams futuristic. Matte blue-gray paint, beefy off-road tires, and sleek lines make it look like NASA built it for the wilderness. But park it, and the real magic happens. In under a minute, the tailgate transforms into a private deck with mood lighting and railings. Picture this. You're sipping coffee above a mountain valley on your own sky terrace. Comment below, would you camp on this deck? Then there's the pop-up roof. No flimsy tent here. Hymer's inflatable roof with thermal insulation and panoramic windows pops up with one button, revealing a full-size bed and LED-lit suite. It's like a luxury hotel in the middle of nowhere. Subscribe if you want more epic RV tours like this. Inside, the Venture S is all about smart luxury. A lounge-style dinette doubles as a workspace for remote work in, say, the Rockies. The kitchen's compact but premium. Induction stove, stainless steel sink, and clever storage. And yes, there's a full wet bath with sliding doors and mood lighting. Every inch screams high-end efficiency. This isn't just a pretty van. With 4x4 drive, all-terrain tires, and advanced suspension, the Venture S conquers trails most RVs can't touch. Solar panels, lithium batteries, and water tanks let you go off-grid for days without sacrificing comfort. This is van life, but make it elite. Like if you'd take this off-road. So why care about a European van not yet sold in the US or Canada? Because the Hymer Venture S is the future of compact luxury travel. It proves you don't need a massive RV to live large on the road. Plus, with limited production, owning one is like snagging a rare supercar. Comment? Would you spend $250K on this van? The Hymer Venture S isn't just a camper. It's a revolution for adventure seekers who crave freedom and luxury. If you're dreaming of epic escapes without compromise, this is it. But is it worth $250K? Tell us in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more insane RV tours. Up next, a one-diameter motorhome that'll leave you speechless. Hit the bell so you don't miss it.